Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's a themed item that I have picked that's pretty practical and purposeful. This one goes right into the heart of our decor and our centertaining. What does that mean? Take a peek over here. We did figural, pierced, and beautifully lit icons for the season. So we did, of course, your romance. Your romance has the beautiful reds and pinks, that gorgeous detail that runs all the way around the edges. And they're figural, which means you can layer these down the center of your table. You can put them atop of your pillars. You can tuck them in some of your bookshelves and bookcases, and they become decor as well as tabletop pieces that you can use. There's your romance. Come on over here to your egg hunt. Remember, you're getting all three. AA batteries, 2 of them. And is there a timer? You betcha. 6-hour timer, which means you set it, let's say you set it at 6 p.m. It comes on every evening at 6 p.m. and turns off every evening at midnight once that 6-hour timer is done. And you just literally set them and forget about them. Love all the beautiful piercing, all of that hand-painted detail that you've come to love from our iconic patterns. And then, so there's your spring choice. That's what we call our egg hunt. Let's talk a little bit about our Americana, a little bit about our beautiful stars with the red and blue polka dots, with the beautiful piercing, and you're going to receive 1 white, 1 red, and 1 blue. As I mentioned, 2 AA batteries, easy peasy, 6-hour timer, and this is where centertaining meets our iconic patterns for under $20. You're going to get all 3 pre-lit pieces that are so beautiful, and it's only available over at temp-tations.com. Don't wait. There are seasonal patterns. We bring them out this time of year, and then once they're gone, you don't see them until this time next year, if at all.